Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to KeenenX. This is my first video on this channel where we talk everything IT. Alright, so just so you guys know a little about myself, I got started in IT really when I was like in elementary school. Like ever since I was in elementary school, I was always addicted to IT. I love technology, hardware. Like my family always called me to like fix computers, fix the internet, fix little appliances and hardwares around the house. As I got older, I started kind of learning like how to hack. I guess you guys call kitty hacking or things like that when it came to like playing video games. So I was heavily into like playing NBA 2K, Madden, a lot of sport games, even NHL, MLB. I played all the sports games, even wrestling games, WWE, UFC, even GTA and things like that. And just like anyone else who plays video games, you like mods sometimes. You like mods, you like different hacks, you like standing out when you're playing online. So I started getting like really into like hacking and things like that. So when I do play like GTA online, I'm the only person in the lobby with like a level 10,000 character, right? With like infinite money, right? Things like that. So I've always had a natural gravitation towards IT. That's just little fun facts about me. Also, even as I got into high school, I had an internship in Atlanta when I was what was I was 15. From 15 to 17, I was in Atlanta. I had an IT internship for quality assurance. So even when I worked there, I thank God I had got that opportunity. I met some amazing people there that not only just taught me about IT, but taught me about finances, taught me about mindset and development and things like that. I had an amazing manager. Shout out to my manager. But yeah, I was able to really dive in this realm in this world of IT, and that's kind of like how I picked up on a lot of tips, tricks. How I was able to even teach people in my family how to do certain things when it comes to technology, right? So fast forward, I turned about 17. I started my computer science degree at 17. I was actually still in high school when I went to college, dual enrollment, if anybody's familiar with that. So I was taking like those college classes, getting like college credits and things of that nature. With went to a college, a local college. It was a local community college because that's who was partnered with my high school. So I was able to get approved and be able to start with that. Just another fun fact. And what else? After high school, I did not go straight to college. All right, I didn't go straight to college. I took that time to really learn who I was as a person, what I really wanted to do out here. Because before committing to anything, this is just a life lesson. This can be relationships. It could be even purchasing a car. Before you commit to something, you want to know, do you actually want it? Because with signing, for example, leases like a 12-month lease on an apartment or signing a 72-month auto loan, do you really want it? Do you really want it? So I took time to really learn who I was as a person to see what I really wanted, right? So I went through a phase of just doing 1,000 things at once, right? You could call me a jack of all trades. I was learning about e-commerce, drop shipping. I was learning about investing, like investing into like stocks and options. I was also looking at real estate and things like that. So I was able to really diversify my education and my knowledge just around tons and tons of industries, right? To where I knew at the age of about 22, I knew I wanted to be in IT because in all the industries and everything that I gathered over time, I realized everything connects back to IT. We're the reason why doctors are saving lives, right? If it's not for our instruments and the equipment that we have and the technology that we develop for these doctors, they wouldn't be able to do their job, right? So in a way, we're doctors. We're saving lives as well. Just having the education behind IT, right? So when I really thought about that, and I really thought about the impact that IT has on the world, I knew I wanted to be a part, of the evolution. So I want to evolve the world. I want to be able to bring my skills and talents to the world and not just produce great products or produce great services, but I want to teach people too. This is why I started my YouTube channel. This is why I'm networking. You can find me on LinkedIn. This is why I'm doing the things that I'm doing, because I have a general passion in it and I know great things can be produced from the world of IT, right? So that's just a little about me. I hope you kind of enjoyed it, kind of got a background or understanding of who I am and where I came from and things like that. Obviously, it's not like in depth of where I came from, because I've been through seasons of homelessness. I've been through seasons of doubt. I've been bankrupt before. I've been around the world and back 3 times. Like, I've been through a lot of things, but I've also experienced a lot of great things. So again, that's just a little about myself. Hopefully the videos that I drop here on YouTube is beneficial to you, and hopefully you can learn some things. I'm not in expertise in IT just yet. So when I'm dropping these videos, you're learning with me. So you're literally on the journey step by step with me with learning Python or learning PowerShell, or just advancing your knowledge. So it's not like I'm giving you opinions or I'm giving you knowledge based off of 10 years of experience, to where it's like you can't relate on the level of a novice. What may look simple to you may not be simple to someone else. So it's easier for me to teach you guys and show you guys how to do things because of that. So again, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like all my videos, and make sure you turn on the post notifications so you get the best IT content. Again, see you guys. Peace.